This message has been transmitted by the request of the Austin Police Department at May 17, 2023, at 1:49 p.m. 3 murders have been reported at the same hour. We do not yet know who is the murderer, but please lock all your windows and doors, and if you see anyone getting murdered, call 911 immediately. Also stay tuned to the media as much as you can. This message has been transmitted by the request of the Austin Police Department at May 17, 2023, 2:14 p.m. 10 more murders have been reported, and 12 critically injured. The injured have gave us accurate report of the murderer, or so-called murderers. The victims described it as animated girls, with colorful hair. One of the victims heard the murderer say Japanese phrases. Theories indicate that it might have been so-called anime girls. Anime girls are animated girls from a style of animation called anime. If you see one, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for local news.
EAS?
The government know that we're evacuated. Since they have their own evacuation hospitals, stay tuned for media outlets discussing this. This message has been transmitted by the request of the Texas state authorities. There was a huge explosion that destroyed the anime girls. The explosion was caused by a flying object, which was a Tantive 4 Corvette from Star Wars. A transmission from radio ground stations. A signal was detected. The signal was message from the Corvette. It was a voice saying, "We saved you lot, but be prepared for any more of these kinds of degeneracy." The voice wasn't known, but we will be prepared. Thank you for your participation and patience in this incident.